a hell of a story as to how I got here. So Orms are running this competition. You can win a Mavic Air 2. Now I've seen a couple of reviews on the Mavic Air and Air 2, and it looks like a solid upgrade from the Mavic Air. And actually, compared to like even when I flew my Phantom 4, it's a significant upgrade in terms of video quality, features. It does 4K 60. So Orms are running a competition where if you make a video of all the stuff you wish you could do, or the stuff you're going to go and do when you're done with lockdown or when lockdown ends, kind of a 60-second clip posted on Instagram. I'll make sure that's linked below. Then one lucky winner will win a Mavic Air 2. So I'm quite keen on a Mavic Air 2, and I thought I might as well jump in there and enter the competition. I have a ton, and when I say ton, I've collected almost about 3.5 hours of drone footage that I've never used. I never posted anyway. So I spent some time this week. I downloaded all my drone footage and I made a 60-second video which I posted on Instagram to enter the competition. However, it kind of worked better as a sort of 2-minute video, which I then really wanted to make and finish making. So like the song I used by Andre de Villiers, Memories, I just thought it was like really fitting for the video. And I tried to highlight some of like the special places in Cape Town that I've been to at least, and where I've been able to film and fly my drone. Anyway, so long story short, I hate cutting off an audio track. Like, hate playing a thing to a point and then like ending it. So I made the whole video using the whole song. It's 2 minutes 20, and I actually really liked the way it came out. So I thought I'd just put that on YouTube as opposed to just Instagram or Facebook. So yeah, this is the video. Enjoy it.
I remember the days of my life. I recall the faces, mostly yours. Magic moments. Life was a mystery. There's no place on earth that we'd rather be. Moving up, going through some changes, storing up the memories. Then you gave me the light of my life. I always gave the best I could give. Sometimes it never seemed like enough, but we never quit when going got tough. Do you remember the way it used to be? Never counting the cost was a matter of trust. Covenant cut with lovers for life. I still bear the scar. Do you still carry the knife?